Yes, sir, Bob, you are right. I was born the same year you were, and I remember it too. Well, thank you very much. Do check our website, which is ma1kw.com. There's the QSL information and more information about Doolittle's raid. And we'd love to hear from you if you care to QSL, okay? Yes, sir. That's great. I'm on that. I like QSL pilots better than I do the... But 73,
F key chasers. CQ POTA. CQ POTA chasers. This is November 0 Oscar Bravo. November 0 Oscar Bravo in Park Kilo Blah. Park Kilo Blah. Space them out now, boys. QRZ from November 0 Oscar Bravo. Click. That sounded very negative, that click. Let me redo it. From November 0, Oscar Bravo. Psh. There was a belly laugh. November 0, Oscar Bravo. Please copy Alpha 1, Bravo, Oscar, Tango. Alpha 1, Bravo, Oscar, Tango, over. Psh. I heard it again today. I'm out of wind. The robot takes a lot out of me. So I guess November 0, I guess Noob, the POTA activator, called CQ, and immediately Alpha 1 bot, he enters N0OB in his logger and then taps his FX key and sits back with a self-satisfied grin. He doesn't have a mic attached to his rig, for he is truly the F key chaser. It's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. Every time I mow. La 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 la. Hi, how you everything? Every time I mow. La la la. April 18th, 2022. It's beginning to feel like Christmas. Where did the cacti go? Jesus Christ. That's actually the best I can sing, man. Where's your stick? Did you order this snow blitzing? Man. April 18th, 2022. From the permafrost farms of Blozo. Jesus, will it never stop snowing?